Hi there, and welcome to a short series of videos that's going to dig into the Groundsure Searches ordering platform. Now, the platform itself has been designed to be completely self-explanatory with usability as its core, and yet there may well be a few tips and tricks in these short videos that make it worth your while. We'll start with a run through of a simple order journey to show off how quick and easy it is to get from A to B and place an order on the platform before digging into the various parts of that: site selection, product selection, drawing tools, and everything in between. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and I'll see you on the other side. Let's get into it. I wanted to start by showing quite how quick and easy the Groundsure Searches ordering platform is to use. So we'll just run through a very simple order. Um, Homepage, enter your address, select the appropriate search results, continue to map, double click on the map to define your site, select commercial residential, proceed to product selection, add your chosen product to the basket, check out, add a reference, and we're done. In the rest of these short videos, I'll dig in further to each of the parts of that journey and the different areas of the platform. But hopefully that gave you a flavour of quite how quick it can be to place an order on the Groundsure Searches ordering platform.